Last day we have 250 lines of Act 4 Scene 1 Merchant of Venice. Today we are going to start from 251, page number 174. Those who got ready, open your book, page number 174, 251 line. Antonio, most hardly I do beseech the court to give the judgment. Antonio is also fed up with the situation in the court. He knew that he is going to be punished. He cannot escape from the punishment. Shylock has enough evidence to punish him. So Antonio asked, if you are going to punish me, do it soon. He is already in trouble. Anyway, he will be punished. So he says that it is better the punishment should be given as soon as possible. Portia, why then? Thus it is, you must prepare your vessel for his knife. Then Portia says that if Antonio is ready to receive the punishment, get ready. As it is the winter region, Antonio might have many layers of dress. So his chest may not be properly visible to cut a pound of flesh from his chest. So Portia says you have to remove the part of the cloth from your chest so that Shiloh can cut a pound of flesh easily. Shiloh, oh noble judge, oh excellent young man. Shiloh is very much excited because he is going to get a pound of flesh, means he is going to kill Antonio. He is very much excited and he started praising the young lawyer, Portia. For the intent and the purpose of the law had the full relation to the penalty. Portia says that according to the rules and regulation, and according to the written agreement, the bond, Antonio has the worst situation to receive the punishment. There is no exception from the punishment. He has to receive the punishment because Antonio borrowed 3,000 ducats. There was no doubt about it. It was for 3 months. That is written in the agreement. If he failed to return the money within the time, within 3 months, he agreed to give a pound of flesh. These all are written rule and written agreement. So there is no such change from there. Had full relation to the penalty which he appears due upon the amount. And it is not according to the words of the lawyer. It is already written in the agreement, and the lawyer only explained it, only read it. Shylock. It is very true. Shylock also agreed to that. The lawyer has not made anything, or Shylock also has not added anything to it. Only written agreement says it. Oh, wise and upright judge. The lawyer is considered as the judge here because for the temporary basis she is appointed as the judge, and Shylock says that he is really a wise judge and a straightforward judge. How much more elder art thou than thy look? The lawyer is looking, the appearance of the lawyer is young boy, but the lawyer's efficiency and wisdom are like an old man and a highly experienced lawyer. Portia. Therefore, lay bare your bosom. You should be ready to ready before Shiloh to cut a pound of flesh. So you have to remove the cloth from your chest so that Shiloh can cut a pound of flesh. Lay bare the bosom to remove the cloth from your chest. Shiloh, yeah, his breast. So says the bond. According to the agreement, it should be from the chest of Antonio. Doth it not, noble judge. Again, Shiloh as a friend. Means Shiloh now treats the lawyer as his friend because that much close relation is there from the beginning till now. The lawyer is totally in favor of Shiloh, so Shiloh tried to talk very friendly and doth it not, noble judge. Noble judge, is it right? Is it written there? Nearest his heart. Then near to Antonio's heart, a pound of flesh can be cut. Those are the very words. It is written in the agreement. Portia, it is so. Are there balance here to weigh the flesh? Then Portia asked, have you brought a balance? Weight measuring tool. Have you brought it to measure the uh, weight of a pound of flesh? Have you brought that? Shiloh, I have them ready. Shiloh says, as I have brought it, I have a balance with me. That means he has brought two things. A knife he has brought, a balance also both together. He uh, got ready to cut a pound of flesh from Antonius' body. Shiloh, I have them ready. Yes, I have brought it. It is ready with me. Portia, how my some surgeon have you brought a Shiloh on your charge? In your responsibility, have you brought a surgeon? Surgeon, a doctor should be brought. Why it is? To stop his bound. After cutting a pound of flesh from Antonio's chest, normally there would be heavy bleeding. Because of that heavy bleeding, Antonio may die. So here, murder or killing is not the punishment. Only a pound of flesh should cut. That is the only punishment. That is why here Portia, as a lawyer, asked him, have you brought a doctor here to stop the bleeding? Lest he do bleed to death, otherwise he may die. Shiloh, is it so nominated in the bond? It is not written in the agreement. In the agreement, it is written like that 3,000 ducats for 3 months. If he fails to return the money within 3 months, a pound of flesh will cut from Antonius' body. That was only written there. There was no uh, particular statement about the presence of a doctor or bleeding to stop bleeding, like that matters are not mentioned there. Portia, it is not so expressed, but what of that? It were good you do so much for charity. Each and every matter will not be written in the agreement. It is only the matter of common sense. A person who is suffering from heavy bleeding should be helped and his bleeding should be stopped. A common man is not able to do that, only a doctor is able to do it. So the presence of a doctor is only a very common matter. It is only a common man's sense. Shiloh, I cannot find it. It is not in the bond. Shiloh says that I don't think that it is very necessary because it is not written in the agreement and I move forward only according to the bond, what is written in the bond. Okay, come, merchant, have you anything to say? Then Portia turned to Antonio and asked, do you have anything to say in at the end of your life? Because you are going to be killed now. Your pound of flesh is going to cut. That means now this is the last moment in your life. What is your last wish? And Antonio, but little. I want to tell you little bit. I am armed and I am totally prepared to receive the punishment. I am ready to die. Give me your hand. Then hyphen this. First, Antonio told first line to Portia, then turned to Bassanio and told, give me your hand. He wants to shake hand with Bassanio. Fare you well. Goodbye. Grieve not that I am fallen in this for you. Then Antonio first shook hand with Bassanio and told that Bassanio should not be worried about. Bassanio may have a misunderstanding that only because of Bassanio this all happened. Antonio is going to sacrifice his life because of Bassanio. So Antonio says that you should not think like that. Grieve not that I am fallen to this for you. For hearing, fortune shows herself more kind. In this particular situation, I am very happy to sacrifice myself. And good fortune, goddess of fortune is generally not in favor of our life, but in this particular time, goddess of fortune is in favor of Antonio. Generally, we feel that one misfortune followed by another, and then a third one, a fourth one, like that. Fortune, misfortune comes once after another. But here, Antonio says that now I have received a misfortune, and now I am going to get good fortune because Antonio's misfortune is failure in his business and the legal procedure he is going to be punished. These all are misfortune, but he is going to be killed. That is a good fortune for him. Why it is so? Because he says that his present condition is like a beggar. He is suffering from lot of tension, and he is going to be a beggar, and he is a bankrupt. And in the society, he was the richest man in Venice, but now he is the poorest man, or like a beggar in the same society. He cannot bear it. He cannot live or he cannot continue his life as a poor man. So better it is to sacrifice his life for his friend and leave the leave from the society. That is better. That means he is ready to receive death penalty as a good fortune because he is going to face lot of difficulties in his life. His death will be the end of all the difficulties. Then for here fortune shows herself more kind than is her custom. It is still her use to let the wretched man outlive his wealth, to view with hollow eyes and wrinkled brow. As he is suffering from poverty, his face appearance will be changed, his eyes will go deep into, and a very pathetic, very sad situation is going to be faced by him. An age of poverty from which lingering penance of such misery doth she cut me off. I feel that I may be saved from such a difficult, poor situation. So I am very happy to sacrifice my life. I am very happy to die now than to continue my life. Till there, all of you read it, and a few minutes I may Antonio continues his advice to Bassanio, commend me to your honorable wife. Means Portia should be given some instructions. Here, Antonio and Bassanio are unaware of the presence of Portia nearby. They believe that Portia is in Belmont. So, after the death of Antonio, Bassanio will go back to Belmont to meet his wife. Then, Portia should be given some words, or Portia should be given some instructions from the part of Antonio. What it is, he is commend me to your honorable wife to her. The process of Antonio's death. First of all, how was the situation just before and after the death of Antonio in Venice? What all situation was there in Venice? What all procedure took place in Venice? Then how the process of the judgment took place, these all should be instructed. Tell her the process of Antonio's end. Say how I loved you. Second one, how close relationship both of them kept, Antonio and Bassanio, how their relationship was. That should be. Speak me fair in that. If any negative comment is in your mind, that should not be told. After my death, only positive matters should be told. Speak me fair in that. And when the tale is told, after describing all the incidents, means before before his death, during the judgment, after his death, what all incidents are there, all will be described. After that, bid her be judge whether Bassanio had to once allow. Then, after describing all the matters, Portia will come to know that really Bassanio had a sincere friend in Venice. He is Antonio. Antonio's sincere relation to Bassanio will be clear to Portia. Repent not you that you shall lose your friend. You don't be worried about. I am going to die. I am your best friend. I am going to lose a best friend in your life. Will not be a tension in your mind. And he repent not that he pays your debt. Really, the 3,000 ducats used by you, and you are responsible to repay the amount, that should not come in your mind. I am already prepared to receive the penalty, and you don't have any doubt about it. For if the Jew do cut but deep enough, I am very sure that Shylock will use his knife deep enough to cut my heart, and the knife will reach till the interior of my heart, and I will be killed. I will pay it instantly with all my heart. I am very sure that I may not be able to save myself. Shylock is very revengeful person and he wants to kill me and I am ready to die. So there should not be any argument about who is responsible for it and what is the reason behind it. Like that argument should not be there. I am well prepared to sacrifice my life. And these all matters you have to tell your wife when you reach Belmont, and she will come to know that how sincere Antonio to Bassanio. Bassanio, Antonio, I am married to a wife which is as dear to me as life itself. Then Bassanio says that he his marriage recently taken place, and his wife and his life is equal for him, means very close to his life. His wife is very close to his life, but life itself, Portia's presence, wife's presence, and his life both are almost equal. My wife and all the world are not with me, esteemed above thy life. But if I consider your life, Antonio's life, my wife, my life, all are not equal. Means I consider that Antonio's life is most important, and my life, my wife, the all are less than that of the value of your life. I would lose all. I am ready to sacrifice everything. My life, my wife, my relationship with my wife, each and everything I am ready to sacrifice to save you. Sacrifice them all here to this devil to deliver you, to satisfy the devil means satisfy Shiloh. I am ready to sacrifice everything. Only one aim in my life is to save Antonio. Not consider anything. Portia, your wife would give you little thanks for that. If she were by to hear you make the offer. Portia says that till now, Bassanio and Antonio are unaware of the presence of Portia there. They believe that Portia is the young lawyer. But Portia listened to it. It is about Portia. Bassanio told that he is ready to leave the relationship with Portia and he is ready to sacrifice his life. This all he heard. She heard. Then she says that if your wife is nearby and listening to it, she will not be happy about it. Your wife would give you little thanks for it. She will not have any feeling of thanks, grateful feeling. She will not have. If she were by, if she is listening to it, to hear you make this the offer. Your offer is very strange, and this strange offer will not satisfy your your wife. Gratiana. Gratiana was nearby and he is not aware of the presence of Neresa here and he believes that the messenger is really the assistant of the lawyer and Gratiana never thought that Neresa would reach there. Then Gratiana comments, I have a wife. I also married recently whom I protest, I love, then nobody can say that I love my wife. My relation with my wife is very nicely maintained. I have no objection about it. I would she were in heaven, but now I feel that if she is not alive, or if she might have died earlier, it would be better. So she could enter the some power to change this Herish Jew, according to Christian belief. After the death of a uh, God-fearing person. His or her soul may directly reach heaven, and where the soul will be with God. And the people, those who are on earth, can seek the help of such a soul to get the support from God. Means a mediator between human being and God. The departed soul can. So here Graciano feels that if his wife died earlier, his the soul of his wife will be always careful about Graciano. And now Graciano's prayer is to save Antonio. That prayer will reach the soul of Neresa, and Neresa's soul will recommend God that Graciano should be held or Antonio should be saved. So like that, Graciano passed a comment. But Naresa is very sad about it. Naresa says, it will, it is well, you offer it behind her back. Your wife is not here to listen to it, that is good. Otherwise, it would be a very serious matter in your life because she may not be happy. She will be very angry about it and she may not be satisfied with your comment. Till that time, Shylock says, there be the Christian husbands. I have a daughter. Then till there we may continue tomorrow. I feel that you understood this the completed part. Already last time we have just read it, explained it the same. It is really a revision. You might have forgotten it. That is why. So the homework is the same completed part. Read 2 3 times, and if any doubt or any problem is there, that you can ask the concerned part of workbook and summary. All you have to complete it whenever the message for submitting the notebook and the workbook, you should be ready with it. So that's all today's class. Bye.